I say President Trump or the kuku of Venezuela president. I'm telling people, say this is not the first one. A basic to Colombia president will be taken out. Cuba president will be taken, but the same by President Trump now. Because aggression, the negative side of number one, no, it's a key effect in him, and he will do it. Because aggression. So this year, Ghana and Africa me who 3 major coup d'etats in Africa. 3 in Africa because of aggression. Ghana for party me did it. I'm not going there.
But Nana me is more Ghana do you?
And I make say coup no be Africa. To make Africa na me koka Ghana be Africa.
Oh Nana, there will be no work.
Now see the way I met here no say atem ha me. Yeah. But see, na make be benchiro. At times there are some people one not your more. Unya repercussions. Okay. Until if you know yourself, now when you say a man for any tia no munya so bonne. One year be a man for an abetiao. So at the end of the day, I say, one hour for so mama or one with tiao, now we be nyasem. So I don't really want to be doing that kind of thing.
You better after way, no, because the phobia or woman, many are sure say what is her, lady be aqua kind of once on social media. Deep for no a day and sa and they soda water and they are there.
Abudia. Oh, I said no.
A bun woman, someone,
we will go there.
Mate.
Until the member say at times, you know, my year forecasting. My throat, my main venture. Shadewa. Let me just give you this. I'm going to you this year, but I say, prediction for Ghana. Yeah. But why didn't I remember the making kind? Because a PV way, my mom for be a can be uncle and none of it here. You suffer just for doing that.
Ntina na person just say o ka bibi na se nipa ne no enyadwe na so ka setia wa.
There are some people who are not your mo obenya money. Okay. What am I say? There are some people in this life where they are very humble, they try their best not to offend people. Bibi any among complaining. Such people no so when you know not your mo obenya repercussions. So at times I don't want to do things that amount for an because I know myself. Me to me be Jnana all that because me feel those things and it doesn't really help. Okay. As a mystic, okay. You don't need to be doing those things. I mean, you should have the heart to accommodate normal being. But so we are there. And your bonnie will be now man for a true mystic. People will get automatic and that's a spontaneous reactions. And at times I don't want to be being a cause of somebody going through some difficulty. Then I do forecasting, I do Ghana at times. I don't want to talk about Ghana. But I will see baby and maybe we will say 1 or 2 things about that. But I think you know say that America no. Number about 1. The one no America the negative side on egoism and a dominance, aggression. So now me say hand time our person should be so. And aggression before you think you took out now business you could train everyone. This energy will a bit rule this year. Then America say in Africa, you better experience 3 different kind of coup d'etat in Africa. Because leaders will be so much full of ego. And time and they would like to dominate. Unless they dominate aggression it will force them to try and control other countries and other regions. And conquer ba you are say away. Na yes I no kwa na ya de ebe hagen. I think so no on be very selfish. The leaders now be egoistic. Now they want to dominate. Now aggression we mumu no. On be very selfish people. Nti ojo no kwa na de nti on found say they me no. Say be kwati esumase kwati esumase. They don't care. And on be lonely and isolated. Say they want to trauma you know. Ebedu baby no countries ni na obi abeti adena munya no nya de obeso ye no more no yes because I said you na ayehu one here no one tia na pa we betu because okura soja for kese omo ho eden nti no he will be lonely and he will be isolated. So that's what is going to happen year no but there back on say number 1 no is ruled by the sun. So when number 1 is ruling now you have the negative side the positive side no now you have to go and look for the positive and the negative of the sun. Because sun no anyone in the rule after. What the nigga see yeah you know as of for be the way on big no at times me show man be am them to na me straight there's a more you have to have it to say that the way a Muslim can go obua because you ko see sponsor the message to me see whatever I'm going to tell you be will be ask no me my foundation be quite free ngeta me see o ntoka be see ha we be see ha then am to be see because the leaders will be having that kind of dominance energy. Aggression cannot be controlled. And normally are very selfish. Because of that, they want to do ABCD. Because the sun is ruling, number one is ruling. Until no leader no yet dominant or person control be no. Now or what to me or to me control for no. Okay, say or about so attack what easy. You know we don't tell you say when ABC without we giving you foundation. To the moment we know a foundation. Me born no ma 109 IBC wa fimu. I mean no ABC will be as be sir. But time no. That's what I was able to mention yesterday. In Timber Bobisuaha, but you go through Kaka. And when it comes to the sun, no, the sun also represents leadership. Certain number one is leadership on the sun. And certain kind of Riano, a Homa healing. And into this year, Ubehunu say, Yadia Akoya Kona, you bring in your home draw a fee. To make a cancer, make a HIV class, HIV on the vaccine, and on by anti-aging vaccine. Vaccine a while. Who tell you when you cry fresh? We are branded about on this year because the sun is ruling. What I say, and some of these things, they ain't in a way they be see. These are the foundational. So these are all things. And our bad fear, dear a bear predominating a bear rampant, and just say I didn't be new hole. A be bad feeling and a bear rampant. Why? Because the sun is ruling. And the negative side of the sun, no, so dear, Mebo Bosibi. We know man come on a platform and say, I want to say, and dear this year, a bit predominating number one, heart issues. A bit too much. The reason is that the sun is ruling, and the sun carries aggression energy. Until you say, what one of you sure? Now I come about pam. That aggression in the sun, no. Will affect you. So this year, you bring so much issues that have to do with heart issues, and a second eye problem. Oh, say we are okay. Say the year when you know. So the negative side of the sun will cause problem in the eye for many people. Until you bring eye issue. Number two, headaches. It's yadie. Once at one we are so the negative side of the sun will cause serious headache, migraine this year, and a high blood pressure because aggression will be there, because of the ego will be there, a buffo over emotions into no. A many parkoma and found she in terms of blood pressure. I come no this year a back kese, and then bone weakness. The idea won't pim. This is the arthritis and the idea Dr. San say this year the moment I say how many number record do hospital because sciatica no bone problems in this year and also idea about cost pa and I think so no among for them say number one deal with ambition to be a workaholic be a say a lot of burnout as way you so these are things that this year will be a man the also, but my main corner, can feel number one. Normal, a bit me experience within the world. To the mature answer here, I say 109 predictions of the world in 2026. To number one, no say the economy of the world will be in turbulence due to the AI bubble. There will be over investment in AI that will cause radical stock falls. There will be a huge adjustment in AI stocks. It will not be a huge disaster because the economy will recover. And they say we are saying baby economy. Obi be your investment kasi biya ni your AI, artificial intelligence. Obi ya. Na your difference AI bubble. What they say investment ni na be kwa akogina fa akon sika na egina fa akon ni etware no. Nti entimi enye se bi onka even say obaga na ha be real estate. Omo sisi adan na so no munyo musika ebi omo so omo de oil. Ebi omo ye oil no so omunyo musika omo de ye IT nti sika ba ko na ekoha na akoha nti eno ara na ama oman na ekoso be ko ba say real estate. Obi biya de nisika be invest real estate na inse ga me so nisika be oil adwuma no na ma say the real estate na mu. So I don't know be do baabi no. Yes is that go be obi anto. So that investment na is a bubble na be pie. So there are so much investment going into artificial intelligence. But a pie because sika na ekomu no it is not investing in other fields. Ni na artificial intelligence into another day na say mesifie usi bi I say akokuru bi na obi e store. Obi afi o yesto wadi mu nti bedu baabi no bi nto bi de nti why invest was store mu we say invest was store no man na auto na bi na wo hanti no o man na beto de nti wo investment ni na be che sa na be ye
so obedi
yes ade obedi no obedi ni na san so na sika na kasa obedi na hye and into this year our economy we going to face this AI bubble because companies they say Google for the music ekoho SpaceX the music ekoho Amazon the music obi ya the music ekoho AI they do baby no all the monies around there they be and can make a SpaceX for na be o man invest so much artificial intelligence more then other companies bet me ato bibi from ho but companies will be any there so at the end of the day no dey na be who is going to patronize you so it will be a bubble na pipe until it starts and they say the economy of the world will be in turbulence due to the AI bubble. Number 2, the British economy will suffer because of loss of trust in the UK government. Britain for more economy best say portal. The reason is say people in the UK this year they will lose trust our government in
Britain for
yes. So we be our Britain this year 2026 the person will come and tell us the economy of Britain. The economy of Britain and a good UK a better portal because the citizens will lose trust in the government. Number 3, Canada will also suffer so much economically because of over dependence on export. Canada for some big issue economically. Reason is omo depend so much on export. Until we acquire omo the cars and as oil and omo the we ko US, omo the we kwa. Until no one was that tariffs na Trump oil no. Until we be na say Canada and US for the digger. Every year. Normal or they call US and quite be about $100 billion. US for say okay before maybe 20%, they say they call 50%. Do the normal call about so over dependence on export, you know, affected the economy of Canada in 2026. Number 4, Australia will do better economically because of rare earth metal importation to the US. And the US in turn will have a lot of investment in Australia, including deals. I said, we are seeing in a country almost providing rare earth metals. You see, you know, say, AI, no more, you know, say electric vehicles, no more, money, say rare earth metals, no. Do now what China. Now, to corner cost what China, US in regards to a trade war, no, say tariffs war, no. And into America, we decided say, into me, and fire ni to China for or more rare metal, and also because you don't mean now your competitors. So, we feel say, my Maya, be trying. So I am for your Ninkongo Chile before you beat me, I the Anyas are rare matters, maybe. The next place of Menyano, Australia. The America has to say on money or so for a digger. To Musica don't want to call China now, or Modinia rare matters. So, more diverting now, I said, what they call Australia. Australia, he would do very well economically in 2026. And Australia for who says, or has to say, almost investing more into the rare matter and the mining and manufacturing. So, this year, so what check stars and a baby you dear cost to come upon Australia. And the Australian economy will do very well. So people who are in Australia both this year no a Juma home be easy Sikaba content because of say America be focus more attention Australia. The number 5 so say China will economically suffer. Even though they are so strong economically. China is going to kese we are still obi ade omoka. So stars and say China ebe suffer economically. The reason is China omo area omo di omo sika kwese pa ya house em. Nti we kono say adansi this year no stars and say omo housing market no will collapse. Nti sika dodo na ko woni nyina no nse meba ho. And because stars can be about omo president no Xi Jinping no stars and say on be na transplant organ transplant in 2026. Say a bit my kidney a bit my of the organs transplant. Na even nipa na omo be enya ne organ no ehun beba nsem I bet you say be a man for compassion no munya nipa no organ na come away no nti ebema a lot of controversy na yi abesi wo China me na beka ho ama omo economy no will not do very well. Number 6, you know, may say there will be structural decline, signs of loss of control by the Chinese government, and as they lose economic control, they will lose a kind of legitimacy. That is a China as our communist system, you know. I say I'm structure, but has to say a follow that's an end and people will begin to lose like trust in the government. And so yeah, there I say anymore. Number 7, there will be bond frozen market. Workers not being paid. The housing problems in China will cause so much problems for the citizens. All is due to the massive adjustment to the world economy. Until we China, mekano, omo housing market and enkoyi. They be affecting for most cases. We do workers going into that kind of thing. No, there be a lot of issues. But number 8, you know, there will be a lot of instability in the oil market globally. Until we are seeing no, you bring issue with oil.